Welcome, my dear friends! In this issue, I have prepared something new and very interesting for you, namely a review of a new derivative financial instrument developed on the basis of spot market currency indices and market volatility itself, as a contractual agreement, and the name of this trading platform, HyperW. I must say that HyperW is a unique trading platform for a new generation, the main feature of which is a simple gameplay, low cost and risks, as well as a short transaction cycle and unlimited profit potential, which for many of you I'm sure will be not only very relevant, but also desirable for many reasons. First, compared to binary options and power options, you don't need to determine the direction of growth or fall of the underlying asset. Here, all you need to do is determine only the volatility of the underlying asset during the period of the purchase contract. That is, in 1, 5, or 15 minutes. Moreover, for convenience, the development team has created a so-called safe zone, which includes the first 3 smaller volatility intervals from the interval you directly selected. In other words, the whole principle of action in HyperW is to look at the chart and to try to predict the future value of volatility. However, since options and investing have always been associated with risks, I will perform all demo actions from a demo account available from the platform. As you can see, I don't have a full 1000 on my balance, as I have already tried to make a couple of trial trades. Well, as you can see, the chart varies at this level, indicating the current volatility. So, I choose the first volatility range without too much thought, set the bid amount to 10 USDT and click the call button. As you can see, my order was placed and 10 USDT was debited from my demo account. Before the session is over, I would like to draw your attention to a few details, namely that you can bet at least 10 contracts per bet, but no more than 1000 contracts per bet, where, as you can see, one contract is equal to 1 USDT. Meanwhile, the 1-minute session is coming to an end and the volatility zone we have chosen opens up, which I want to increase a little and add another order for the second position on volatility with the amount of 10 USDT. In the meantime, I carefully watch the schedule and see that it doesn't leave the zone I selected, which I'm very happy about. And now there are seconds left before the order is triggered. And yes, we earned almost 15 USDT from this deal, what I'm personally very happy about. As you can see, the process of participating in HyperW is quite simple, and you will not have any difficulties. However, before you start, I still recommend to read the existing rules for participation in HyperW, which are available immediately within the trading interface. You can get acquainted with them yourself. In the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to finally move on to the most important news from HyperW, which is dedicated to the Golden Week of options trading, where participants fulfilling certain conditions have a unique opportunity to earn additional rewards. However, I will say right away that this promotion has already started on the 11th of October 2020. Therefore, listen carefully to the further rules of participation in order to participate in the promotion as soon as possible. First, each participant must make trading transactions within HyperW during the promotion on any of the selected time sessions, 1 minute, 5 minutes or 15-minute trading. After that, the system will automatically calculate the total number of completed trading transactions at the end of the day. And if their number exceeds 50 per day, you will be awarded a bonus of 10 USDT. If you can make 500 transactions during the Golden Week promotion, you will receive a bonus of 100 USDT, which you will agree is also very nice. However, as a result, you can earn a maximum of 170 USDT from one account. So keep this in mind and don't try to cheat the system in any time. Since the event organizers reserve the right to disqualify all those participants who were noticed for some fraudulent or other suspicious actions. At the same time, I must remind you that all operations with derivative financial instruments on digital assets are highly risky. Therefore, before you participate in the promotion, make sure that you understand the entire nature and rules of options transactions. You also have the necessary investment experience, financial condition, and full awareness of all possible risks. And therefore, if you agree to all of the above conditions, then don't waste time in vain and quickly follow the link specified in the description. Register in HyperW and take part in the Golden Week directly. That is for me. Thank you for your attention and say goodbye to you until my next video clip, which will be released very soon.